do a pee.
Yeah, Bangaki.
One day she's gonna be too big for you, Zoro. Go. She's learned she can only ambush him.